Hi there, it's Nikos here and welcome to the Simple Smart Startup Program. I would like to share with you 3 most important key points in order to succeed in Forex trading. Number 1 is understanding what you're dealing with. Number 2 is learning a strategy that actually works. And number 3, practicing in order to improve your skills and do it in a relaxed and fun way. But in order to do that, I'll have to share some charts with you, so I do it right now.
First of all, thank you for actually taking your time and watching this. I promise I make it really fast for you, but it is very important that you understand the basics. If you understand the basics, it's so easy to profit from the markets, okay? So we have to go back to key point number 1 where I said understanding what you're dealing with. The easiest way to start understanding is understanding the charts. If you know how charts work, how they react, support and resistance, basic things, you're almost there. Okay, so I want to point this out. Really, it's super important. You can ignore if you want fundamental news. You don't have to know what's going on in the world. The only thing you need to understand is how the charts work, because the charts already know what's probably going to happen. Okay, that was part number 1. There are many ways to approach the markets, but the most essential part is that you approach it in a simple way. Now we do it in 2 different ways, or we combine 2 strategies in my system. First of all, I'm using classic Heikin Ashi candles. They are actually measuring the strength between buyers and sellers in each candle. That means red means sellers are stronger, and the white ones in this case mean that the buyers are stronger. So in a powerful downtrend, you can see how smooth the chart looks. That's why I like to use those candles. And now, if things are not that clear anymore and I need a better filter, I use Renko charts. Renko charts are filtering out even more noise because they are not time-based. I will go in much detail in this course, but I want you to understand how powerful those Renko charts are if you already know how to approach your trades by doing a nice analysis on your charts. Okay, like for instance, every 1 hour, if you set your time-based charts, in this case it's a 4-hourly chart, so every 4 hours you get a new candle. Now on Renko charts it doesn't work like this. If you set a Renko setting, for instance, to 6 pips or 10 pips per box, it doesn't matter if 10 minutes pass or 2 hours. If price doesn't move higher, you won't see another candle. So price has at least to move 10 pips higher if you set it to 10 pips per box for you to actually see a new candle. That means it's filtering out even more noise. And if you know how to approach your charts correctly, you will find easy setups to actually take advantage of any market, not only the Forex market. And you can do it in a relaxed way. Of course, you need to practice a little bit to get the hang of it. So for example, I'll show you my next chart. This is a classic Heikin Ashi candle chart. I did connect 1, 2, 3 highs on this chart, so after 3 touches I have a trend, and if I extend it, you'll see it's ending up here, and the price did move on this uptrend, creating higher lows on the chart. In the end, up to this extension, and exactly there it bounced and came all the way back to find support again. So in this area, we know the price is likely to bounce or to break this area, and those are the areas that we pay attention to. And if things don't look very clear in this area and we don't know what to do, we combine or compare our Heikin Ashi candles with the Renko charts, and according to our trading rules, which I explain also in this course in detail, we take advantage of potential setups. Okay, that's how it works. So my 3 steps to success in trading, I divided those into 8 simple, small, easy to watch videos. explaining everything in much detail, as you can see, basics, understanding the charts, the top-down approach, how to approach the charts from higher to lower time frames or from higher Renko settings to lower settings, the volatility, a powerful trading plan. It's not like a diet or something that you have to, it's complicated measuring stuff. It can be a simple, powerful plan that is actually fun to trade. Understanding the importance of money management and the trading mindset. You really want to tune your mindset to success in order to make this really easy for you. Then the Spartan basic system that you can use immediately to start practicing, because I really want you to practice, okay? And then another video explaining how we can help you even more to succeed in trading. You also get some technical videos, some bonus material videos. I add more to that later on as well. So when you log in, and you might see more videos than just those ones here. And I give you also my ebook Trader's Tale, telling you a little bit how I started from a music teacher, musician, and changed to a trader and also coach. Okay, that is all combined. Again, it's totally free. You don't have to pay for this at all. And if you have any questions at any point, just send us an email. You can contact us also via Skype. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, practice a little bit, watch all those videos here. It's not much work, it's 10 minutes on average each video, so it will take you an hour to watch this. Digest it a little bit, start practicing, and if you need anything, just contact us. We are here for you, okay? So enjoy, happy and healthy trading, and we catch up soon. Bye for now.